Welcome to Inforiver Analytics Plus, your all-in-one visualization suite for Power BI. With over 100 charts, KPI cards, tables, and Gantt views, it supports migrating from legacy BI tools to Power BI. In this video, we'll walk through how to customize the trellis layout to get the most out of your small multiples. To begin, open the toolbar and click the trellis icon. You'll see several layout options to choose from. By default, the layout is set to grid, which arranges equal-sized panels in neat rows and columns. You can switch to grid, auto-fit, to fit all panels into a single view while keeping their size consistent. Scaled rows columns adjust the height of each row based on top-performing values, giving you a more dynamic comparison. And with ranked panels, each panel scales based on its value, making it easy to spot the highest and lowest performers at a glance. Customizing panel display. Let's now explore how to customize the panel display for a more interactive experience. Here, from the display section, you can choose between two display modes. Select Scroll to view all panels on a single screen with a scroll bar, and Pagination to break panels into pages. You can also customize pagination alignment, page and panel labels for better navigation. Panel scaling options. Scaling is key when working with small multiples, since you're showing the same visual across multiple panels. You can choose from 3 scaling modes. Starting with the default Auto that automatically adjusts panel size based on content. Uniform to keep all panels scaled equally, great for consistent comparison. Individual to scale each panel y-axis based on its own data. This is especially helpful when there are large differences between panels. Next we have is grid settings and axis customization. You can manually adjust the number of rows and columns in your grid by disabling the responsive grid. Further drag and resize the trellis layout directly on the screen. To keep a specific layout, use the lock panel size option. You can also customize the X and Y axis. Finally, Trellis offers built-in average and total panels. These add a summary panel with overall totals and averages, no extra DAX or workarounds needed. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can completely customize your trellis layout in Inforiver Analytics Plus to match your data and your audience. Download the Inforiver Analytics Plus today to unlock it. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.